Heyo, boss, and happy Halloween. This is our Halloween special. We are so excited. Definitely one of Chef's favorite videos to put out. All month long, we hope you've been watching some classic scary movies, or some classic fun movies, or some new movies that have been coming out. Either way, it is Halloween, and Chef's going to show you a great appetizer to bring to your next party, Halloween or not. This is the Crab Rangoon appetizer. Now, you may have ordered these from some Chinese restaurants, and you may have noticed maybe they're not full enough or whatever, but we're going to show you how to pack these bad boys. I hope you got your costumes on, everybody. Looks like Bubba Man's got his dinosaur costume ready, so we hope you are too. Again, this is going to be a great video to really show you how easy this is. Let's go ahead and get cooking. In a large bowl, start off with some softened cream cheese. And then next, add your chopped up imitation crab, or you can use blue crab if you have the money for it. Some minced up garlic. And then some chopped green onions, as well as some Worcestershire sauce. Some fish sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. And some sesame oil. Then you can season this with some salt and pepper, as well as some cayenne pepper and any other seasonings you may want to add. Mix this together thoroughly. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. We're going to heat up some oil. You can get your mixings in the fridge for a while, let them kind of blend together. And while the oil is heating up, go ahead and now take out some nice small wonton wrappers that you can pick up at your local grocery store or order online. And Chef's going to show you a setup. So he has his wontons, he has some water, a little scoop, and his Crab Rangoon mix. The first thing you're going to do after, of course, washing your hands, is take a little bit of that water and just kind of coat the edges. It's going to act as a bonding agent. Then, with a small ice cream scoop, these come in such handy, just take a little scoop of that Crab Rangoon filling, put it right in the middle, and with those wet edges, they're going to stick now. So what you want to do is bring up the edges, and if you're going to bring up all four together, I know it's tricky, try to do that, and when the edges come together, you just press each wall together to seal it in to this kind of unique little formation. So here's another play-by-play. Chef's got his two edges coming up, he brings his other two up, and then he seals all the sides. Just like so. And you want to seal them tightly. If any of the filling escapes, that's okay. It might pop in the oil, but do your best. So here's all of his Crab Rangoons ready to go. They've all been stuffed and sealed. And his oil is sitting at 350 degrees. Fresh oil, of course. He's going to use his spider to slowly drop these in. And you can fill your container to, you can put a bunch in there, I guess. And a couple minutes. You just wait until they're golden brown. If the oil starts to pop or snap a little, you can put your lid on. And then after several minutes, you're going to see these are going to brown right up. And you can now go ahead and remove them. Oh, look at those. Those things are filled to the max. Beautiful. And here they are. Crab Rangoons. Chef's got a duck sauce and a sweet chili sauce as some dippings. And we think you're going to love it. They came out so great. So we hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. We hope everyone has a fun and safe Halloween. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.